So what is going on here, man? Why are all these boxes all packed up? All right, welcome back to the channel. Man, it is a crazy day out here. It is right before the new year. I think today is the 30th. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve, so which means we're gonna be bringing in the new year 2023. Fellas, it is starting off not the best way for me. I hope your new year starts off much better. But guys, take a look at what we got. As I walk through the house, guys, you can see the boxes all packed up and ready to go. I am not feeling the best right now. To all of you out there, man, I've got, so my significant other is moving out right before the new year. Man, it is crazy right now. This is what real life is all about. When I say Big Vern's Moto Life, it is not just about motorcycles and fitness and all that good stuff. It is actually about life. All right, and I'm back, man. This is absolutely a crazy day. Man, this is real life. There is no made up props. There is nothing. This is all the way reality, man. If you've ever been in a breakup, and I know millions of you out there have been broken up with before, have you ever had someone move out on you and just walk out? Guys, it is crazy out there. If this has ever happened to you, man, we're gonna jump on the back of Big Vern. We're gonna get through this together, man. We're gonna ride it out. One of the things that really bothers me is the timing of it. It is 2023 coming in. So hopefully we're gonna look at that in a positive light, and we're gonna say it is gonna be the start of a new beginning for me as well as for you. So don't forget, man, if you've got some issues out there, man, and guys, someone leaving you, guys, you've got way worse issues than that. So I'm gonna get over this hurdle, and so are you. We're gonna do it together. This year, 2023, is gonna be a great year for the channel. We are gonna rock and roll. Man, let's check out the crib, man. Let me say one thing and one thing only. I don't care who you are, how good you look, how in shape you are, how suave you are. Ladies, how pretty you are. You will get left, and it will happen. It is going to happen. It is a part of life. But the best thing about a problem is when it comes, how do you deal with it? That shows who you really are and what you're made of, man. So we're gonna be resilient. You guys are gonna be resilient out there. We got a great year coming. It's gonna get off to a great start. Man, I'm going in the garage. It'll make me feel much better. Let's get out there. Right, and just like that, I am back. Man, you fellas see what happened upstairs. I tell you what, man, this is Big Vern's Moto Life, and I'm gonna show you guys my life when things are going good and when things are going bad. That's what life is all about. Man, let me give you a little bit of advice though. When things happen to you, and they will, how you react to it is gonna define you, all right? I'm gonna jump in this garage, guys. We got another project. Let's get money. Here we go. Let's get after it and get it going right now. So as you see right there, that is the Harley Davidson reflector, and it is encased in there. So we're gonna have to pull that out in order to get our new blacked out reflector in there. So let me show you what I've got. I'm gonna swing over. First off, I'll show you guys the reflector, and it's ultra nice, really blacked out. It's gonna really set the tone for the bike. I've got the double-sided tape right there. Then I've got that baby fine flathead screwdriver, which we're going to get out the reflector with. And then I've got the gooby going. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do with all that. So let's move on to the next step. Let's get it done. Yes, sir. Let's get this thing cranking. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that small screwdriver here, that flathead screwdriver. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a soft cloth right here, and I'm gonna put that over top of the flathead part of the screwdriver so I can pry these open and get those off without scratching the paint. This is important, fellas. Do not try to use that with just the screwdriver. You will scratch the paint job up, and if you've got chrome on there, something, you're gonna scratch that up. It's gonna look horrible. Take your time, grab a soft cloth, get in there and get it done, all right? We're gonna knock this out real quick. I'll be right back. All right, so I've got everything all ready to go. I am gonna slowly notch this open. and I'm gonna go all the way around. You're gonna hear a little bit of a pop. That is the reflector popping. Go all the way around to loosen up the reflector, all right? So we're gonna go all the way around. You guys hear that pop? I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it is popping right through. And you just keep going all the way around. Slowly, guys, hopefully you can hear that if the camera picks that up, but it is popping out. We're just gonna continue to go all the way around. I'm gonna take my time. We'll be right back. Check it out, man. You see, I have got it started, and as you see, I am really close up on there. You see, I've got that all pulled out. So what you're gonna do after you've got everything all ready, you see, I'm just gonna pull that out, and all you see left in there is that double-sided tape. We're gonna get rid of that thing, that double-sided tape right there, and all we're gonna do is with your fingers, and just do it with your fingers, and just pull that out, because you don't want to scratch that up. So just do it with your fingers, get it all out of there, get that goo out of there. Once we get all of this out of there, I'm gonna come back with the goo be gone. We're gonna clean that out, and it's gonna look amazing. It is time to hit it with the goo be gone. I'm gonna use an old clean cloth here and just spread that on. I'm gonna wipe that out, and you guys can see that right there. It is coming out, looking pretty good. Little elbow grease. All right, so it is looking good, man. I've got all of that out of there, that goo from the double-sided tape. I'm just gonna take an alcohol swab. You guys can just use regular alcohol, but I've actually got swabbies here, so I'm just gonna take that. I'm gonna clean it out, and I'm gonna get all that goo be going out of there so that my double-sided tape will stick to everything, and it'll look amazing. So let's go ahead and hit the home stretch. I'm gonna attach the double-sided tape. Now notice, fellas, that I'm gonna put that tape in there, and you can see it is going the same direction as the reflectors. That way everything will be uniform. So take your time, make sure you line it up. I'm just gonna stick it on nice and even right there so it's ready to go. Then we're gonna just go ahead and stick that in, and we're gonna adhere. So let's hit the home stretch. Let's finish this up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But oh my goodness, fellas, an inexpensive way to flam out the bike. You can see how flam that looks with the all blacked out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I hit it with a little bit of shine. And fellas, let me show you what I'm using. I actually am using the Harley Davidson spray cleaner and polish. This is a great product too, fellas. If you want to really hit those bikes off really super quickly, keep this in the tour pack or those saddlebags, man. But check it out, looking crazy right now. Let me know what you think, man. I'm loving it right now. I'm just gonna go to the other side and put that in, but I hope you guys are enjoying these tutorials. Let me know in the comments below. Also, man, I really appreciate the support, but I need you guys out there to like, share, and subscribe to videos so I can keep running them out to you. Man, but it looks amazing. Let your boy know what you think. It is time to hit the reset button. It is almost 2023. It is time to make a better version of yourself. With that being said, I want you guys to have a safe new year. Until next time, keep those two wheels down. Peace.